Good days everyone. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot this English top loader washing machine. This it's not working, and then if you when you turn it on, so it just sounds like this. Seems like the drain pump it's not working. So that's the common problem of the washing machine. So we have to look at it, and I hope we can figure it out what's wrong. And first thing from us, we have to unplug the cable to be able to uncover or take it off this cabinet or this cover. We have to locate the screw that you need to while doing this. So if you have that, so we are good to go. We already located the screw to unscrew. So one in here, right? Take this off and just a little bit push going towards. Okay, all right, we got it now. And then we have to disconnect this a wire in here, yeah, located on top. Okay, just pull it up like that. There you go. Okay, both sides we have a clip here that holding this back panel. To be able to do that, we need this flat screwdriver. Okay, we got this one, and then the other one right here. Okay, able now to take this out the panel. All right, there you go. It's that simple like that. And now we are seeing now the drain pump that we are going to check. Okay, first thing, you have to untight this clamp using the pliers or any tools that you can hold this clamp to be able to take it off, and just slide it. There's some water, obviously. You can ready your bucket or anything is that you can put the extra water that comes from the drum. Alright, see, there's some water as you heard. Okay, there's some. Oh, we got this baby socks. See? So it coiled the impeller. So it won't surprise me that the motor will not run. As you can see now, I believe there's nothing, but we have to check it again to make sure there's nothing more. I think the impeller now is rolling freely now, as you can see. Yeah, it's rolling freely now. I can roll it by my finger, so for sure there's nothing more foreign objects there. Okay, after we finish taking off the foreign objects or the baby socks on the impeller, we have to check also this pipe going to the drainage, and this pipe also from the drum, just to make sure there's nothing more in there. So it's obviously it's dirty. So after that, we can put it back. Just simple like that. Then clip it back, and then the other one on top. And the hose, the hose should go up to here. There's a little stopper here, so it should go up to there. All right. All right. Okay, and then clamp it back. So in installing back the front panel or the cover, you have to make sure that it will go on this insertion here, front and back, both side, just to make sure that the panel is labeled. Ready to put it back. If we fix this, so we save dollars for buying a brand new one, or save dollars from bringing this into the shop. So if you can do it by yourself, so it's good. So you can save money. Okay, we install it back, so we're gonna try it. Okay guys, we're gonna try if it's work. So I'm gonna plug it back. And then I'm gonna put a little water, just to make sure it's working. Okay, just a little bit. And this hose I will put on the bucket so that the water will go in here. Okay. And then we're gonna try. Cross the finger. So it's working. So as you can hear now, my English top loader washing machine is working right now. So I save money for bringing this into the shop. So if you learned something for this video, and if you are new, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's Batangkolano, and don't forget to hit the like button and also the notification bell, so that you are updated for my next videos. So thank you so much again, everyone, for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and God bless you all, and keep safe always. Thank you and goodbye.